We got a package. We're so excited to take a look at these Unruly Splats. Here's the box.
We created a user account and we're ready to get unruly. We've played with the app to see what we can make happen. Here's the outer packaging. It says code your own rules, play your own games. Looks super fun. Let's get a look. Here they are. We've already tried some of the example games, like this red light, green light game. We love the pre-made games to help us get started. The first one we tried was Whack-A-Mole. Then we tried Race in Place. We look forward to more unruly learning and fun.